Hi Nellies, welcome back to this channel. How are you guys doing? Today I have something special for you guys. When I say special, I mean very, very special. I have not done this. It's my first time doing this and I know you guys will love it. So, my wife, I'm gonna call her and she's gonna tell you what we're gonna do. Come over here, baby. Tell the people what we're gonna do.
Hey guys, so today we are making White Hennessy Honey BBQ chicken wings.
Yes, and we have all the ingredients here. We're gonna show you guys how to make it, and I hope you guys will try it. And if you do try it, you know, just put it in a comment and let us know. So we're gonna get right into making this Hennessy barbecue wings. Okay, so let's get started. All right,
let's go. So guys, to make these wings, of course you're going to need some chicken wings, some Hennessy, and a variation of seasonings. These are what we chose: salt, pepper, seasoned salt, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, adobo, soy sauce, and barbecue sauce of your choice.
Yes, my beautiful people. So we're gonna get this chicken seasoned. First, I'm gonna add some salt. Some seasoned salt also. But you can use any of your choice. We're just choosing what we like. Some black pepper. So I add some garlic powder. I'm gonna add some paprika.
Y'all just remember that you add your seasoning to taste, basically. We try to provide measurements, but at the end of the day, we know that most people shake their seasonings in until the ancestors tell them that's enough, child. I know y'all have seen that meme before.
I'm gonna add some Goya.
It's just an all-purpose seasoning. It has a few different things in it. The last thing he added was onion powder. Did you say onion powder?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that?
And I have some baking powder here. I like to add some baking powder because it gives chicken that crispiness. So I'm gonna add that in it. And I have a tablespoon also. And then I'm gonna use my hands now and just get everything incorporated. Make sure your hands are clean, guys. My hands are clean already.
Everybody's hands should be clean anyway. We in the pandemic, y'all. You gotta clean your hands when you're mixing people's food and things like that.
All right, so this is finished. Smells so good. So I'm gonna let this sit for like half an hour, and then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna fry it, and then we're gonna make our sauce with the actual Hennessy. And then we're gonna get everything to the finished product. So my chicken has been marinated. I mean, you can marinate the chicken for how long you want. The longer it sit marinated, it's better. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some flour in a bowl, and then I'm gonna get the chicken all dust up with flour, and then I'm gonna fry the chicken, and then I'm gonna make the sauce, and then add the Hennessy to it, and it's gonna be finger licking good. So this is my chicken here. It's ready. Now I'm gonna add the flour. I have
about 1.5 cups of plain flour.
Yeah, plain flour. I'm gonna add it, and then I'm gonna add some of this seasoned flour.
It's Kentucky kernel.
Yeah, the Kentucky kernel flour. So I'm just gonna add it to this. So I won't add any more seasoning because this is already seasoned.
Yeah, it's seasoned with 13 herbs and spices. You can find it anywhere under $2. Walmart, Kroger, Publix, or they have a bigger box. So yeah, it's already seasoned, ready to go. How much you add? About half a cup?
Yeah, about half a cup, yeah. Season like this. I'm gonna add some chicken in it. This is exactly how we want it. Now we're gonna move to the stove and just add them in the oil. So I'm just flipping them forks so I can get the second batch in. They look so good already. So I'm getting the first batch out so I can add the second batch. This chicken looks so lovely. So I'm gonna add the second batch.
Alright guys, so we got finished chicken wings frying. Now we're about to start on the sauce. So everything is going to come together right here in this pan. We're just getting it heated up.
So I'm gonna start making my sauce now. I'm gonna add this honey,
Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's is good.
and then I'm gonna add this
pineapple rum and ginger sauce. It's a Kroger brand sauce. It's kind of spicy, so you don't need a lot. I'm just letting it caramelize a little bit. Adding some soy sauce. And then one other ingredient that we didn't speak of at first, but that's a little Asian sweet and sour sauce. You can get it from any Asian marketplace. Yeah. Just get all of that. And then here we go. The star of the show. Pure White Hennessy. Alright.
So I'm gonna add the Hennessy now.
That was about a shot and a half maybe, or a shot. Alright, a little bit more. I'm just gonna mix it around and let it saute.
I'm gonna add the chicken in now.
And just mix it around in that sauce so everything gets coated.
Can smell the Hennessy. Very nice. Very spicy, juicy. Yes, folks. You need to try it. So good. Thank you again for watching this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and give this video a big thumbs up.